Are you ready to turn your home into a tech wonderland? With these devices, you'll be the king or queen of your castle, even if you're not there. For those of you who struggle to boil water without burning down your kitchen, stay tuned because I have a gadget for you too. Now, these devices are absolute game changers, so check the links in the description and let's get started. Let's start with the Arlo Pro 3 Floodlight. Setting it up, pretty straightforward. Download the app, create an account, connect it to your Wi-Fi. Simple. Even your parents could do it. Well, maybe not yours, but you know what I mean. So once it's set up, you can place it wherever you want. It's weather resistant. It can be inside or outside. It records in 2K resolution. It detects motion, which prompts it to start recording. Once it starts recording, you get a notification on your phone through the Arlo app. It's like getting a text from your camera. From there, you can watch the recorded footage or even live stream the video in real time. It also has a built-in speaker and microphone so you can talk to anyone near the camera using the two-way audio. You can tell your kids to stop sneaking cookies or scare away any potential intruders with your best Darth Vader impression. Now let's talk about the Sobro Coffee Table, because it's not just any coffee table, it's a coffee table that can do it all. It has a built-in refrigerator drawer so you can keep your drinks cold without having to get up and go to the kitchen. Then there's the built-in Bluetooth speakers and LED lights that personally I'd sync up with my gaming consoles. This table has built-in outlets and USB ports so you can charge your devices without having to hunt for an outlet. And if you're someone who's always misplacing the remote, the Sobro has a handy compartment where you can store it. Or your snacks, there's no judgment here. But how does it all work, you ask? The Sobro app controls everything because the coffee table links to your home's Wi-Fi. You can control the refrigerator temperature, LED lights, and speakers without getting up. This coffee table also has a tempered glass top that's easy to clean and super durable, so go ahead and have that glass of red wine, or 2, or 3. Would you like to be able to cook a 3-course meal, just like a real-life Gordon Ramsay? Minus the yelling, of course. Well, you can with the touch of a button once you get your own robot chef. Simply tap the touchscreen a few times, whether it's the main display or on your mobile device. It will cook complete meals and also keep track of the ingredients and suggest dishes based on what you have in stock. Basically, it's like having a robotic chef in your own home. It's a fully automated kitchen system that uses robotic arms to prepare meals for you. So instead of spending hours chopping vegetables and stirring pots, you can sit back and let the robot do it for you. This system comes with a library of recipes that have been developed by professional chefs, so you know you're getting restaurant quality meals every time. And if you have a recipe that's not in the library, you can teach the robots how to make it by demonstrating the steps yourself. It's like having your own personal cooking class, but without all the annoying classmates that ask too many questions. Now when it's time to cook, the robots will do everything from measuring ingredients to stirring pots to plating the finished dish. Then when the meal is done, the robots will even clean up after themselves so you don't have to worry about the mess. Now I know what you're thinking. Won't a system like this cost an arm and a leg? Well, in this case, a robotic arm and a robotic leg. Well, yes, it's not exactly inexpensive, but if you like having a team of robotic chefs in your home, it may be worth the investment. Since that robotic kitchen will definitely cost an arm and a leg, maybe you can start saving some more money by acquiring a smart thermostat to help reduce the electricity bills. Basically, the E1 is a smart thermostat that you can attach to your radiator. It uses AI technology to learn your heating preferences and automatically adjust the temperature to keep you comfortable. So if you like to keep your home at a toasty 75 degrees, it will remember that and make sure your radiator is always pumping out warm air. The E1 connects to your home's Wi-Fi network so you can control it using your smartphone or tablet. You can set schedules for when you want the temperature to change so it can automatically adjust when you're asleep. One of the coolest features of the EI is that it can detect when you're not home and adjust the temperature accordingly. So if you're on vacation in Hawaii, lucky you, the E1 will know that you're not there and turn the heat down to save energy. It's like having a thermostat that can read your mind, almost. And if you're worried about installation being a pain in the neck, it's really not. It's super easy to install. You just unscrew your old radiator thermostat and screw on the E1 in its place. It's pretty much no different from changing a light bulb, just without the risk of electrocution. Alright, last on my list is this high-tech Samsung Family Hub. Now if you've seen previous smart videos of mine, then you know that I've talked about refrigerators before. Do not pass this up though, this is so different. This high-tech fridge is like having a personal assistant, an entertainer, a chef, all rolled into one. It has a giant touch screen on the front of the fridge, just like a command center for the kitchen. You can use it to check the weather, stream your favorite shows, leave notes for your family, or even order groceries right on the fridge. So no more forgetting to add milk to your shopping list. The Family Hub doesn't stop there though. It has a ton of features that make cooking and meal prep a breeze. It has a camera inside that takes a picture every time you close the door. So you can just use the Hub app on your smartphone to see what's inside the fridge. So you won't be at the store buying ingredients that you already have that you forgot were in your refrigerator. It has some cool features if you love to cook. It has a meal planning app, and it'll suggest recipes based on the ingredients that you have in the refrigerator. It'll send cooking instructions directly to your smart stove if you have one, so you can cook a meal without even having to touch a recipe book. You don't have to look at your phone, you don't have to Google. You have a smart kitchen. But the Samsung Family Hub isn't just for cooking and entertainment. It's also designed to help you stay connected with your family. You can use the fridge to leave notes for your children, share calendars, or even connect with loved ones using the built-in video calling app. It's like having a family command center right in your kitchen. It works by connecting to your home's Wi-Fi so you can control everything using the Family Hub app on your smartphone. You can set temperature controls, order groceries, view the inside of the refrigerator with the camera, and if you're worried about the fridge taking up too much energy, don't be. The Family Hub is Energy Star certified, so it's energy efficient and will save you money on your utility bills. Alright, that's it for today's video. If this breakdown was helpful, please leave a like to let me know. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment and I'll do my best to answer. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. See you in the next video.